Hi, today I'm going to be talking about order management. So basically see how many orders you've got up within IG's platform and use the get all working orders API function to get all the orders from that and see how they're distributed, if they're filled, if they do even exist, and so on and so forth. So you can see here I've got these orders generated here for this particular instrument. I'll just talk you through the code. It's fairly similar to the position lookup, um, but just a few differences. So you can see here we're doing another call to this class, an initialization here. So you can see we initialize those objects as I spoke about before. We're then getting get working orders. Um, it's fairly simple. All from the order management class, we're getting working orders, and we're in this while loop again. The idea behind this while loop is if our API keys fail or they expire, then we'll generate new ones and then hopefully return our output. Again, it's possible that there could be a forever loop here, but I've never come across one. Only other possible forever loop could be a loss of internet connection that could possibly keep this going in an infinite loop, but never other besides that, never had any other issues with it. So we're getting the working orders, we get the orders, we get them back here, and then we return them to here. So okay, so let's debug this. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 orders here as well. You can see all that. They're all good to cancel. Um, and if we debug this, actually let me go through the flow of it then. So you can see the initialization, go through that, get working orders. So if we say orders, you can see it produces a data frame with all these value types. So each one, so if we say orders dot key, you can see those are all the keys. So instrument name, exchange ID. The most relevant here is deal ID, which gives us the unique IDs for these orders. So that way, if you want to change them or interact with them, you just quote this and pass it into the function or other functions and make changes thusly. Yeah, so that's pretty much to it. Um, that's everything. So if we just to, I guess just to give it more, yeah, you can see take 100, take 100. Yeah, so that's everything. Thanks for watching.